Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for September 23rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair created an inside bar, closed lower on Friday, did open just a hair above, not much of a gap really. It's already retraced it. Look for it to potentially go as high as 78.60, possibly down to 77.82. Look for some resistance around 78.50 and look for some support around 77.95. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair also created an inside bar on Friday, closed up just by a little bit. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 131.01, possibly down to 128.97. Look for some resistance around 130.57 and look for some support around 129.15. Now the pound US dollar pair surged to the upside much higher but pulled back prior to the close. Look for it to potentially go as high as 163.59, possibly as low as 161.58. Look for some resistance around 163.15 and look for some support around 161.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down, fairly light volume on Friday. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9387. Possibly as low as 0.9244. Look for some resistance around 0.9365 and look for some support around 0.9255. Now as far as news announcements go, we do have a news announcement later today. It's going to be at 11:50 p.m. Eastern. The Bank of Japan minutes for August 8th and 9th meeting will be released. No consensus given. Nothing else really related to that news announcement has been given at this point. And then our next news announcement, large news announcement anyway, isn't until Tuesday. So Monday, tomorrow, is a fairly light news day overall. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you notice, the US-Japanese yen pair created an inside bar, the Euro-USD created an inside bar, as well as the pound did not. It created a swing trade, and then we have the US Swiss. Still looking for this US Swiss to head to the downside. Though the long-term trend is still to the downside, looking for that to reverse and come on down from there. Pound US dollar pair moving to the upside. We have a swing trade opportunity there. Not sure if it'll get there. A good ways from that actually. At the open here, we got about 93 pips before it hits it, and then it could move up from there. The Euro USD pair did create an inside bar. The pound moved much further than the euro. So if we get a break of the 130.58 mark to the upside, I could definitely see it going on up to the 131.16, roughly about a 57 pip move there. And last but not least, we have the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair did create an inside bar on Friday, Thursday and Friday. Look for it to break out from either direction, in either direction from currently where it's at. If it breaks to the upside, looking for a buy around the 78.43 mark. Looking for it to come on up about 36 pips to 78.81. Then to the downside, we have a sell off of 77.99. Might want to give that an extra pip or two to the downside just to make sure, and look to exit around 25 pips lower, 77.74. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.